Can I use the speaker function on my phone until I can fix the issue with my AirPods?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be addressing a common question. Can you use the speaker function on your phone as a temporary solution while dealing with an issue with your AirPods? Let's dive right in and find out.
Using the speaker function on your phone.
If you're experiencing problems with your AirPods and are unable to use them, using the speaker function on your phone can indeed be a viable alternative. The speaker function allows you to listen to audio and have conversations without the need for any wireless or Bluetooth accessories. To use the speaker function, simply follow these steps. 1. Unlock your phone and access the desired audio or call application. 2. Adjust the volume to a comfortable level. 3. Place the phone near you or in a suitable location where you can clearly hear the audio or conversation. Using the speaker function can be particularly useful when you're in a quiet environment and don't have any privacy concerns. It's also handy if you're waiting for your AirPods to be repaired or replaced.
Limitations of using the speaker function.
While using the speaker function can provide a temporary solution, it's important to be aware of its limitations. Here are a few things to consider. 1. Privacy. When using the speaker function, the audio is broadcasted openly, allowing others in the vicinity to hear your conversations or the content you're listening to. This may not be ideal in certain situations where privacy is important. 2. Audio quality. The audio quality through the speaker function may not be as crisp and clear as when using AirPods or headphones. The sound can be affected by background noise, room acoustics, and the overall capabilities of your phone's speaker. 3. Inconvenience. Holding the phone close to your ear or keeping it at a suitable distance to hear the audio might not always be convenient, especially if you're multitasking or need to use your hands for other activities. It's important to keep these limitations in mind and consider whether the speaker function is a suitable alternative for your specific needs and circumstances. And there you have it. While waiting to fix the issue with your AirPods, using the speaker function on your phone can certainly serve as a temporary solution. Just remember the privacy considerations, potential audio quality differences, and the convenience factor. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.